Before we get in today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the absolutely amazing Scary Teacher Dimension. That's right, guys, we're going to be heading to the absolutely amazing, awesome, and super scary Teacher Dimension, guys. And I just hope when we make it inside this dimension, the scary teacher don't decide to teach me a lesson I'll never forget, like how to sharpen the pencils, or maybe how to mop the toilets. I don't know, guys. That actually sounds like it would be pretty fun to do. Maybe the scary teacher should teach me how to mop the toilets, guys. But what you're gonna need to head to this dimension is you're gonna need 20 pink wool. You wanna go ahead and place 5 of these on the ground, just like that. Then you're gonna need fur red wool. You wanna go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your pink wool, just like that, right there, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on up, grab your pink wool, and place 5 of these on this side with 1 red wool right on top, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on down. Son of a scary teacher, that hurt, guys. That really did hurt a lot. But now you just want to go ahead and you want to place 5 pink wool on this side, and then 5 pink wool right in the middle, guys, smack dab right in the middle, and then 1 red wool right on the edge, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to run and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Wow, that looks amazing. That really does look amazing, guys. But now you just want to go ahead and you want to whip out your flint and steel and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, don't that look absolutely amazing? That looks so amazing. That would definitely make me want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button, guys. But now it's time to head into the scary teacher dimension, guys. This is going to be so scary, especially if she tries to make me read a book, guys. But wow, I really love this dimension, guys. Wow, this is amazing. Just look at how humongous this school is, guys. Wow. I would really love to play hide and go seek inside this school, although I would not want to do it with the scary teacher, guys. But oh my god, do they have a clock up on top of the school? Wow, guys, that is amazing. I think it says it's 9 o'clock, guys, which is the usual time to go to school, although I do it at 3 a.m., guys. But wow, I really do love this school, guys. This is a really nice school. I just hope the scary teacher ain't waiting inside for me, guys. But you know what? I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to head in, guys, and hope she don't beat me down. But wow, guys, the inside of this school is even more amazing, guys. Wow, I love how humongous it is on the inside, guys. Wow, I really love this school, guys. And wow, just take a look at the ceiling, guys. It's like there's a bunch of stars on the ceiling lighting up the school, guys. Wow, that is amazing, guys. I need to get some of these installed in my bedroom so the boogeyman don't bother me anymore, guys, because he keeps trying to come into my bedroom and pick my nose and take my boogies, and I don't like him to pick my nose and take my boogies, so I need to get some of these lights installed so he can't do it anymore, guys. But wow, I really love this ceiling, guys. I really love this school overall, guys. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to go and search for the scary teacher, guys. Let's go ahead and see if we can find the scary teacher. Looks like we got something down here, guys. Oh my god, lava? Did somebody put this lava here to try to burn me? Oh my god, guys. I bet it was the scary teacher that did this. Wow. I cannot believe the scary teacher tried to burn me with lava, guys. Wow, that is crazy. That is absolutely insane that the scary teacher tried to do that. You know what? I'm going to find the scary teacher, and then I'm going to put the scary teacher in the lava. Let's go ahead and see if we can find the scary teacher. I don't see the scary teacher in that classroom. Is the scary teacher in this classroom? No, the scary teacher is not in this classroom, but this is a really nice classroom. Let's go ahead and let's check out these classrooms. Wow, that's a really nice classroom. And oh my god, the scary teacher's attacking me. Oh my god, really? You're gonna sneak up on me? Wow, I cannot believe that. Boom, take that, scary teacher. And oh my god, there's two scary teachers. Oh my god, these are the ugliest twin sisters I've ever seen. Oh my god, back off of me. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe these two scary teachers are beating me up right now, guys. And they're doing a good job at beating me up. Oh my god, guys, I'm going to have to eat an enchanted golden apple. Oh my god, they are really kicking my butt, guys. Boom, take that, scary teachers. Oh my god, I cannot believe this, guys. I cannot believe I'm being double teamed right now by two scary teachers. Oh my god, boom, take that right to your faces. Oh my god, boom. Oh my god, I took one out. Oh my god, I actually took one out. And oh, I took the other one out. Wow. That was amazing, guys. We fought around the globe. Wow, I cannot believe that, guys. I cannot believe I took both of those scary teachers out. That was amazing, guys. That was absolutely amazing and insane. Wow, guys, I took both of them out. That was amazing. Let's go ahead and let's check out the rest of this school, though, guys. Let's go ahead and see if there's any more scary teachers in here, guys. I don't see any out in this hallway, guys. You know what? I'm going to check that room over there, guys. I think this might be the cafeteria, guys. And wow, this is amazing. And oh my god, right there's another scary teacher. You know what? I'm just going to take this one out. But I'm going to let her hit me first. Come on. Oh, you guys seen it? She laid her hands on me. Boom, take that. Oh my god. She is really kicking my butt. Boom, take that. Boom, take that. Get off the table. You're not allowed up on the table. Oh my god. You are going to get fired. You are so gonna get fired for stepping on the dinner tables. Boom, take that. Oh my god, boom, take that. Boom, take that right to your face. Oh my god, I cannot believe. Oh, I took her out, guys. Wow, that was amazing. That was absolutely amazing. But I cannot believe how many scary teachers are in this school, guys. But who's gonna serve me now that I took her out? Who's going to serve me food? You know what? I'm going to look at the menu. It looks like we have bread, we have a potato, we have bread, we have a potato, we have a potato, we have bread, and we also have a potato. I would really love to get a potato. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to spawn my pig. He's going to be the new chef. Or the lunch pig. I don't know, guys, but just go ahead and give me a potato. Actually, give me 2 potatoes. Actually, give me 3 potatoes. And a loaf of bread. What? You don't like my attitude? What? You're not gonna serve me? Oh my god, I cannot believe this. I gave you the job as the lunch pig. Oh my god, guys, and now he don't want to serve me. You know what? Forget you, pig. Forget you. I don't want any of your food anyways. You probably rubbed your pig butt on it. You know what? I'm just going to head up the staircase, guys, and see what's up the staircase. Hopefully there's no scary teachers up the staircase, guys. But let's go ahead and let's check it out, guys. If there is any scary teachers, I'm going to bop them over the head, guys. I'm going to bop them over the head so hard. Or maybe I should offer them apples, guys. That's probably what I should do. But I'm going to eat one myself first, guys. But wow, I don't see any in the hallway, guys, so there might not be any scary teachers up here. And oh my god, right there's some. Oh my god, what are they doing? It looks like they're going in and out of the classrooms, guys. Wow, this is scary. This is really scary, guys. I'm about to sneak up on them and see what they're doing, guys. You know what? I'm not even going to go near them, guys. I'm just going to head into this classroom, and maybe this is a nice one. Are you a nice one? Oh, I think these ones might be nice, guys. Wow, I think I've met up with some nice teachers. Are you guys interested in apples? I would love to give you guys apples if you want them. And oh my god, they're attacking me. They're attacking me, guys. Oh my god, I'm going to block them off. I'm going to block them off so they can't get me, guys. I'm just going to block them off with TNT so they can't get me, guys. Wow, I cannot believe that. After I was trying to be nice to them, let's go ahead and see what's in this classroom. And oh my god, this is the principal's office. And oh my god, you guys are really going to beat me up in the principal's office? When the principal comes back, I'm going to tell him about this and you're all going to get fired. You know what? I am the new principal. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. They knocked me right over the principal chair. And oh, now you guys can't get me. Wow, now you guys can't get me. You know what? I'm going to make a brain escape, guys. I'm going to run over there once they're not looking at me. You know what? Forget it. They can look at me. I'm just going to run super quick. Come on. Let's block this up. Let's block this up. No, I don't want to trade with you, villager. Get back. Get back, villagers. Get back. Get back. Let me lock that up. Oh, my God, guys. Oh, my God. Wow. You know what? I'm just going to blow them up. I'm just going to blow up all those scary teachers, guys. Wow. Wow, I did not think there was that many scary teachers in this school, guys. But here they go. Boom! Oh my god, whoa! Oh my god, that was a massive explosion. Oh my god, you're not getting me. Oh my god. Wow, that scary teacher was still trying to get me, guys. Wow, where are we? Oh my god, we're down here with some scary teachers in the basement. Oh my god, guys, and there's a bunch of heads down here in the basement. Oh my god, guys, I think these heads might belong to all the previous students. Oh my god, this is really starting to freak me out, guys. You know what? I'm leaving. I'm getting out of this school, guys. You know what? I don't ever want to come back to this school, guys. Never, ever again. You know what? I'm just leaving, guys. I'm just leaving. I cannot believe they have all those students' heads in the basement, guys. That is really creepy and really, really scary, guys. I never want to come back to this school, guys. I definitely don't want to end up being the next student in the basement, guys, because it would probably just be my head in the basement. I wonder what they do with the students' bodies. They might eat the students' bodies. Oh my god, guys. I don't want my body to get ate. I'm not a chicken. Or maybe I am. I don't know, guys. But if you guys did enjoy this video and did enjoy seeing all those heads in the basement, I don't think anybody enjoyed seeing all those heads in the basement. Maybe you did. I don't know. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.